Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka District Legal Services Authority, West Jainta Hills District, rangkat ka jing lang ka Borpanyat District jang ka West Jainta Hills. Kilapan long ya ka jing ya paliw jing mon, halor ka talk on SDG program and 2030 agenda of the United Nations. Kumshi benta ka jing rakhe ya ka United Nations. Ka Sustainable Development Goals lani SDG, kadai ka way ni kitong traykam jang ka United Nations. Balamang nakabantay kiri, ha ka baon bisyare ka jing long jing man kiri, ha ka beday ba ka jing yo jing kon, ka jing nang jing start, ka jing yadaya ka mariang bat kiway kiway. Ha ka ni ka jing ya lang paliw jing mun, lawan ya shimenta di ki officer ni kitana traykam sarkar bapher, jang ka district, bat ya ka jing ya lang lapanyat da ka kong RM Carsentiu, Chief Judicial Magistrate Com Secretary DLSA, ha Conference Hall DC Office, ha ka arpu artarik uni ubenay. U AS Mukim, u Additional Deputy, hakajing kren ula kentuy ki saheb sarkar, ban pentray hok kinu ki skim sarkar. Kenang baka jela bat kari ken long yarengkan, bat kiyo syaprang hakal liang karoy kapar. Kiway de ki bala ajeng kren ki long ka DD Sengay, ADC bat jeng batay lang baka PowerPoint presentation, naka hes taba bat u RG Devenant, Consultant ka Planning Department, bat ki kintin kublay na kakong M. Sayo, Muktiar ka Joy Bar Association.
We're happy to know that Meghalaya is ranked first in the reduction of inequality. That is, we, as a state, most of the citizens, in fact, as per the index, inequality is not there, I would say. So we are happy with that. However, as the chairperson has already stated, we should not be happy with only achieving a target of one particular goal. We have another 15 more goals. Out of the 17, as the consultant has pointed out, there is one goal which is not linked maybe to Meghalaya. So we have to strive hard to reach at least in the top spots, or maybe in the top 10, or maybe top 5 of all the other goals that are related to us. Based on these social development goals, in particular the Government of India, for its celebration of its 75 years of independence, has come up with Amrit Ki Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav. This is also to highlight what all the departments have been doing, the initiatives taken by the different departments, maybe to achieve the goals that have been spelled out, or maybe to go out of the way to come up with the initiatives, with projects, programs to make our country a much more better country, a much more better country than what it is at present. The years to come, and especially the few months leading to the 75 years celebration of the 75 years of our independence, I would like to urge all the district heads to think seriously about the action plan that has been spelled out by the various departments. Go back to the drawing boards, come up with solutions as to how do we achieve those goals or the plans that we have kept for ourselves.